Hey guys, welcome back. We're on our JK Jeep project, taking a little break, talking about emergencies, because we always run into something that breaks and we don't want it to. Now, this is a great product to have, kind of an emergency kit in your vehicle, in your camper, in your boat, in your toolbox. It's FiberWeld from J-B Weld. Now, this is great. It's a fiberglass wrap, right? So it's fiberglass and resin that all you need is a little bit of water to kick it off. They put everything in the kit that you need, right? Your gloves, your wrap, a little bit of a securing wrap to keep it all bound and tight. It's temperature resistant up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It can hold up to 100 PSI pressure. Now, if you do need something more temperature resistant, use their ExhaustWeld. Now, it's heat cured. It can withstand heat up to 1100 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so this is a great example. Wasn't me, but somebody busted up my hammer. I'm out of the cottage. I want to get the job done. Now let's do a little repair. I'm going to walk you through it. Now I've got my fiberglass wrap and resin, and I'm going to just dip it in the water, get it soaked a little bit. When I pull it out, I'm just going to squeeze out the excess water, and I'm going to start wrapping. Now you want to make sure you keep it tight, because that's the way you get all the fiber strength. Wrap it around and around. Once you get to the end of the fiberglass, get your securing wrap. And what that's going to do is just hold the glass fibers nice and clean so you get a good finish on the outside. Leave it on about 2 or 3 minutes, and you want to take that secure wrap off. Let it cure for about 15 minutes, and you're good to go.